Jamal. We never give up, dog, we not stop trying.
Some tell Miss Dana say for send a fee from DME.
Me I live, me best life, I me not care what you say. Speed up.
Yo, Madden. Yo. I have to listen to Soji TV Entertainment. You must be full to bumbo.
The Skxlly, I go come, dog, a 9.5 when you
Viewers and subscriber, what's good? From your device, you know, it's a boy Soji TV Entertainment, you know, man. I don't know, say me not do no review as often as how me used to do it, but you don't know, say we there I go and observe and I pray and I say, yeah, I go and watch the thing I go. You see me? And me I say, me I go talk about 3 artists today, you know, man. And the first one me I go talk about goes by the name Jamal Dunce, man. You see, pray. And me I say, in drop a song with title Time. You see me, I say viewers and subscriber. And you don't know if you know Jamal, you know say this man is a man will motivate you. You see me? And then my man is a true believer, fully done. So you see me? Not to him say fully done, that means say nah, give you no reason to try listening or try to analyze when really I say, because he's a brilliant person, me I tell you. And the things that will ever motivate the youths them. Everybody should say. He motivate the youths them. You see me? So artists like this we always push out them type of tune to motivate the youths them. When now work, we go try look something and do something. Do something to try make your thing work. You see me? So I saw that artist has space, so you have to give him the support. You see me? Some want to know guys to go over Jamal Dunce, man, and make him know say Soji TV Entertainment send over there. You see me? Make on hear piece more song, cause that song is a hit song, you know.
the moon top fly one time with the broke down.
Believe no artist, remember one time we never have nothing, we couldn't do nothing for yourself, and now we can do more than something for yourself. You see me? Me no rich yet, you know. And me no broke same way, you see me? So me I say, yo, the artist, man, you see the artist, when you listen to artist, viewers and subscriber, yo, me I tell you, a powerful artist, man. True believer too. You see me? I believe you have to believe in yourself first, you know, before anybody else can believe in you, you know, because if you don't believe in yourself, you're not going to have the courage to show out your time, express your feeling. And that song you one time EP single from rated D for done. So you see me? So me I say, yo, Jamal, go and do the right thing now. You don't know a Soji TV Entertainment over here where you look straight see me. So I want to know guys to just hit the bell icon to be notified each time I drop a video. You see me? Drop a like, see me, drop a comment, share it up to a friend, you see me? I jump in another review now on Jeds. Viewers, this song title We Are Live. And the artist goes by the name Silk Boss. And from Mr. Silk Boss, you don't know that this is one of most artists who go through the most things, the most pain, the most surgery. Yo, the artist is the artist we make for this, you see me? A film category that, yeah man, to sing emotional song and sing reality song and sing about what really are going on in our surrounding. And when you listen to artists, you know, from me, I listen to artists from him do freestyle for Instagram, TikTok, you see me? Tell the artist get a breakthrough with him song title Mankind. Me did do the review the same way. So me been a follow the artist and it's an artist where me rate same way, cause enough time I have to drop some of my song them, cause it's an artist where me can relate to enough of things them when sing. You see me? No joke. And they must say, mummy, me no know none of them. As somebody them a look fan for leech fan. No, I'm here, brother. You come like you know, see say, oh, a things where artists I go through with artists that sing about. Cause enough of your friend them where they think of your friend. And when time you be the man where you be now, them are running. But when time you did that start, them never used to give you that strength. Them are talk you down and think. So right now the artists tired right now cause them are running now and them, yo, John was there. Listen to piece more song, viewers and subscribe. Artist saying still a bleed and know him not heal. See what I say? I say, yo, Ice Queen Records and Timeless Entertainment produce that song. You see me? So I say, oh, no, go and do the right thing, you know, and go and make the artist here relevant because he's a powerful artist. You see me? I say, Silk Boss, go and do the right thing, you know, man. I want Soji TV Entertainment. So right now, I jump in another review. I go review on it. upcoming artist, not an next upcoming artist, an upcoming artist. You know, we are doing things. So tune in, viewers and subscriber. I'm out.
I try work, man, I see police. Gun bust without scope and ship.
Yeah, man, the artist that goes by the name Skxlly, you see me? And the song when drop title, Nah Cap. You see me? Me I review the artist from last year. Me not too know the artist like that, you know, but me just rate the energy where artists are push out, you see me? And the consistent where push out same way and be relevant. So you don't know say we there, you know, man. And I say viewers and subscriber. I want to know if you go over Skxlly and make him know say a Soldier TV Entertainment sending over there. And his song when drop title Nah Cap. You see me? And you don't know we nah cap, you know. We don't know much about the artist, but me I go make you know say yo, is the artist one of the look out for. You see pre. And you don't know say we there, you know. We are gonna wrap up this thing, you know. So I want to know go over Skxlly Vivo now and make him know say I me sending over there. You see me? And I want to know if you go over Jamal Vivo. Go over Silk Bass Vivo, make him know say a Soldier TV Entertainment over here. I do the right thing. 100.